In this video, I'm going to show you how to add effects in your video in CapCut PC. So here, this is my clip here. If you don't know how to import a clip, here you can see in the media section, you can just click on import and you can import any video here, right? So this is my video here and I want to put effects. So here on the top left side corner in the top bar, you will find a lot of options. One of them is effect section. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you will get a two option, video effects and body effects. So if I just click on video effects, and here there's a small blue icon here. If I just click on it, you can see a lot of features available in the effect section. So this is a trending one. So to apply it, for example, I like this one, but as you can see, there are two very small icons here. So each clip asks you to download a effect, right? So without downloading an effect, you can't use it. That's why first of all you have to download. As you click on download icon, here you can see it has been downloaded in just few seconds. So if I just click on any one of the effect, it will show that how it will be shown in my video. So for example, this one, split flicker, if I just click on it, it will just get downloaded in few seconds and it will show how it will look in my video, right? It doesn't mean that it has got applied to your video. To apply it, you have to click and hold, drag it into your video. So if I just put it above my video, here you can see that it got applied, right? And if I just play it out, here you can see the difference. But if you want to apply it just only a very specific part or just a very specific part of any video, you can also do this one, which I like this very much. I can just click and hold and drag it as a timeline. So for example, I want to get applied only to this part, right? And I want another one from here. So in this way, you can see the difference. So if I just play it out, right? So this is the difference here. It get applied to a certain specific particular part of a video, not to every part of the video. So this is how you can apply effects. And there's another option of star. So star means favorite. So for example, I like this effect too much and I use in every video. So I will just click on it. And here to use it, you have to sign in into the CapCut. And then you can just make your favorite and you can access your CapCut everywhere, and everywhere you will able to see your favorite available in the front page. This is how you can use it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.